All right, my people, welcome back. Yoruba Nation, Sunday, Igboho apologizes to his supporters. Well, onto this, Yoruba Nation agitator Sunday Adeyemo, aka Sunday Igboho, has asked Yoruba Nation supporters to forgive Ibrahim Salami, one of his Cotonou-based lawyers. Onto this, Igboho had in a leaked audio expressed anger with Salami's team of about 10 lawyers in Benin Republic for failing to secure his release after about 50 days in detention. He lambasted all his Benin Republic-based lawyers and complained about his alleged maltreatment and abandonment in prison despite receiving about 5 million naira each. But reacting, Salami said Igboho was angry with him and other members of the legal team because he felt he had no reason to remain in police detention. The professor of law explained that Igboho found it strange to remain in police custody for not committing any crime. He wants things to be done faster, the lawyer said in Yoruba. One of Igboho's strong associates, Are Almaroof Bobagowa Yekini, in a video said, "This is a message from Chief Sunday Adeyemo Igboho Usha. We just spoke and he asked me to plead with you all, Yoruba Nation supporters, to forgive lawyer Salami." According to the statement, I quote, he pleaded that we should forgive him, all freedom fighters and those who broadcasted his name everywhere. He needs us and we need him, so we all need each other. Igboho is our demigod in Nigeria. He is a strong warrior. He does not insult people and then he also hates insults. We forgive you, lawyer Salami. It is now time for you to do the needful. Once you do the right thing, then we'll praise you widely. All right, my people, and then that is what it is. On to this one. Okay, Yoruba Nation Sunday, Igboho apologizes to his supporters. So, all right, and then on to this, majority of things have been said. Well, the truth of the matter has been that as far as the movement is concerned, Chief Sunday Igboho is not a terrorist, and then in that case alone, majority of things had to be set right. And then according to what Salami, the lawyer, had said so far onto this, he has said it that Chief Sunday Igboho is actually or was angry simply because he never believed he could remain in detention up till that time. Well, the truth of the matter has been that everyone needs to do the needful. Well, as it is right now, majority of people are praying for Chief Sunday Igboho onto this one, and many of these other people have been like, as far as this movement is concerned, there is no going back. All right, my people, well, a lot of things are actually being said. Well, with what has been gathered here, it has been said that your imprisonment is normal. Well, this one is coming from Emmanuel Baweyimi. Says your imprisonment is normal. Learn from freedom fighters. Mandela was imprisoned. Jesus Christ was hated, imprisoned, and even killed before God raised him from the dead, to the shame of his enemies till today. So what you are passing through is normal. The Lord shall vindicate you. Be strong and more courageous. All right, and then this is exactly what Emmanuel Baweyimi has advised Chief Sunday Igboho onto this one. Well, my people, a lot of people have actually reacted onto this in one way or the other. And then meanwhile, according to Adeniyi Ademola, he says, Sunday, you need to calm down and be prayerful. Don't issue any provocative statement that will make you lose your supporters. If you are eventually sent down to Nigeria, you are finished as per your request. Well, I think There are some set of people that actually love Chief Sunday Igboho, and then this aspect has been said by Adeniyi Ademola. He said Chief Sunday Igboho was saying that he should be sent back to Nigeria, that he is not scared of anything. So the lovers now, the supporters are of the opinion that don't just think about that too. Baba, don't just Matthew Rurara. No think at all. Because even now, before all these statements, the Mietiala had released their own statement that they used their diabolic means to get Chief Sunday Igboho and Mazi Nnamdi Kanu arrested. You can imagine all sorts of things that, if not for their own fetish power, that Nnamdi Kanu and Sunday Igboho wouldn't have been arrested. And the majority of people, now, the agitators, they don't relent in their efforts to reply any statement of such, and then they have been able to reply the statement by saying that, oh, look at the way you people are fooling yourselves. So you mean you have this diabolical means to arrest Chief Sunday Igboho, yet you could not catch up with him in the day. Instead, you went to his house at the middle of the night to attack him. This is to tell you that you people are just mouthy. All right, so you see, a lot of things are actually being said onto this one. You can imagine, you have the diabolic means to arrest Chief Sunday Igboho, yet you went to his house at the middle of the night to attack him. Then why didn't you attack him in the day? If na go fit, that's what the agitators had actually replied to the Miyetti Hala. So for Chief Sunday Igboho to have said, oh, he wanted to go back to Nigeria, that he should not even think about that, because this set of people will be like, oh, it's our power that want to push him down. He doesn't know what he's saying. All right, but it won't be his portion, because this set of people, the majority of people who have been supportive of Chief Sunday Igboho actually love him, and then they will continue to give him the right idea, the right advice, because Chief Sunday Igboho is a God sent. Well, and then with all this that are happening, you will definitely know that God is on his side. And then that's just it. There's no two ways about it. God has been on his side, and then with what has been going on, the good Lord will continue to protect him. He would be vindicated in no time. That has been the prayers of everyone concerning Chief Sunday Igboho, because this man is not fighting for his own pocket, but is fighting for everyone. And that's what we have seen so far. Yet he has found himself in a situation whereby he is not even supposed to be. According to with what we have seen so far, Chief Sunday Igboho is a wealthy man. He's a very rich guy. In case you don't know, we saw a lot of things. So, but for this person to be in detention simply because he loves his people, is one thing that everyone should know from here, that he's not ordinary, if not for the fact that God is in it. All right, my people, and then that has been it on this one. What more can we say? Meanwhile, let me have your take on this, and remember to subscribe for more updates if you have not subscribed to this channel. Thanks and God bless.